it is time. It is time. I got the first copy from Amazon, who is publishing it. I got the advanced copy of the new book. I haven't seen it. I thought I'd do an unboxing video. And let's see. All right, I'm opening. Okay. Are you excited? I'm so excited. Okay. And it is a book. Nerd 365. Nerd 365. Look at it. It is gorgeous. Look. Oh, look at it. We laid it out with little edges, little tabs. We have quick reference guides on the side. We have multiple different indices in here so you can find what you need. We've got it broken down by, oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. Y'all, it looks gorgeous. Look, the blue and the orange came through just fine. And we've got some things going on. Now the QR codes are kind of messed up right now because we're working on those as we speak and making changes. And oh my gosh. Look, we got a lot of little graphics in there. We did some fun stuff. We did it so that you'll have a resource you can keep all year long. You can refer to. It's going to hook up with the calendar online so you can follow the calendar and get tips every few days that are just already on your calendar. And I'm just so excited. Thanks for taking this journey with me again. This is book number 7. When you get your copy, and I hope you all do, you're going to see that the format is bigger than the regular books I've been writing. So this is the big book of apps. The bigger book of apps was this size too, and this is regular 6x9, but we did this, it's like 7.5 by 9.25. And the reason is we wanted a different layout so that it was easier to read and have more of the quick reference on the side and just a little bit different. And our idea was that, because I tried to make this one shorter because the others were getting out of control. 404 pages was the bigger book of apps. So I was like, nobody wants that many words, right? So I was like, I'm going to make a smaller book. It's going to be easier to send, easier to have. And guess what? This one weighs more than the previous one, even though this one has 270 some odd total pages, which is significantly less than 404 because we added this and it's bigger. It weighs more. I failed, but I'm so excited. Thanks again for all y'all following me, being a part of this. This is for you. This is for us. This is for the nerdy community to have these references. And I'm just so excited it's here. If you already ordered, if you did the pre-ordering, what's happening is that I got this advanced copy from Amazon, the publisher. It's going to be up on Amazon in about a week and a half, but it takes a long time for the bulk of the books to get here. So I have ordered hundreds and hundreds of books that are going to be here the following Monday. And as soon as they arrive, I'm going to start signing them, hand numbering them, hand signing them, putting in the goodies I got for y'all. I'm not going to tell you what they are. They're very exciting. And so I've got all of those things set up and coming in. And so we will start shipping by mid next week. So if you've already purchased, and hundreds of you have, y'all's names are in the book, in the Nerd Herd. Yay. In each section by your birth date. Oh, I know. Very exciting. So if you have pre-ordered the book, we're going to start shipping mid next week. So stay tuned. I thank y'all for being with me. This is your nerdy best friend, your very excited nerdy best friend saying, nerd on.